E ngā iwi o te matu, e ngā iwi o te ao. E rā rangatira mā me ngā homahi o te whariwānanga o Waikato. Koutou, ko tai mai nei I tēnei ahi pou whakahirahira. Tēnā koutou, nā mai haere mai rā koutou katoa. Good evening, everyone. My name is Neil Quigley. I'm the Vice-Chancellor of the University. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to this event this evening. This evening we have the opportunity to recognise the outstanding scientific achievements and contributions of Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett. Dr. Barrett is in New Zealand to speak at the Writers' Festival in Wellington. As the principal sponsor of the Writers' Festival, the University of Waikato negotiated the right to bring a selection of the festival authors to Hamilton. Dr. Barrett's visit is the first of these events. Tonight, the event is in three parts. First, the Chancellor, the Right Honourable Sir Anand Satyanand, will confer an Honorary Doctorate on Dr. Barrett. Following the presentation of this award, Dr. Barrett will give her lecture. And at the conclusion of the lecture, there'll be an opportunity for Dr. Barrett to answer your questions, coordinated by Professor Marianne Gary from the University of Waikato School of Psychology. As is customary when the university awards an honorary doctorate, I'd like to begin by reading the citation. The University of Waikato is pleased to bestow an honorary doctorate on Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett for her contribution to psychology. Dr. Barrett is one of the world's most respected scientists in the field of human emotion. Her research has radically challenged the prevailing wisdom about how the human brain and body work together to create emotions. Our emotions are not built into our brains from birth to be triggered by outside forces, but events that our brains construct, shaped by our experience, our language, and our culture. As a University Distinguished Professor of Psychology at Northeastern University, with appointments at Harvard Medical School and Massachusetts General Hospital, Dr. Barrett's work in cognitive, social, and affective neuroscience has significant implications for both everyday and high-stakes interactions. Her book, How Emotions Are Made: The Secret Life of the Brain, brought Dr. Barrett's work to a general audience, while 5 other scholarly books and more than 200 peer-reviewed scientific papers reflect the impact of her research on a range of fields. Dr. Barrett is the current president of the Association for Psychological Science, a global organisation of more than 30,000 members. She's also an elected fellow of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences and the Royal Society of Canada. In 2007, Dr. Barrett was recognised with the US National Institutes of Health Directors Pioneer Award for her research on emotion in the brain. She received a Mentor Award for Lifetime Achievement from the Association for Psychological Science in 2018. The Mentor Award acknowledges Dr. Barrett's skill and leadership in fostering the careers of others and helping students discover their career and research goals. A Guggenheim Fellowship followed in 2019. For her pioneering approach to human emotion and psychology, the University of Waikato is proud to confer upon Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett this honorary doctorate. So now could I ask the Chancellor and Dr. Barrett to stand to allow the award to be conferred. Chancellor, I have the honour to present for the conferment of the degree of Honorary Doctor of the University of Waikato, Lisa Feldman Barrett.
Vice-Chancellor, Professor Quigley, ladies and gentlemen, I, Anand Satyanand, Chancellor of the University of Waikato, by virtue of the authority vested in me, do now confer the Honorary Doctorate of the University of Waikato to Lisa Feldman Barrett.
Waikato. This is one of the two homes of the dairy industry in New Zealand, so you have to have a university cow as well, and this is the citation.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
I believe there's, there.
Are we taking pictures? Yeah. Okay.